Good morning, everyone. It's a brand new day, and it's time to wake up your body and mind. Feeling a bit stiff after sleep? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many of us experience that morning stiffness. It's totally normal. Our bodies like to rest, but sometimes they need a little nudge to wake up properly. After hours of lying still, our muscles and joints can feel a bit tight. That's where stretching comes in. Stretching helps to gently wake up your muscles and get the blood flowing. Stretching in the morning is like giving your body a big high five to start the day. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your energy levels. It's not about being super bendy or flexible, it's about feeling good. Even a few minutes of stretching can make a big difference. Think of it like this. When you stretch, you're gently waking up your muscles and joints. You're preparing your body for the day ahead. You're telling your body, hey, time to get moving. It's a way to signal to your body that it's time to transition from rest to activity. And guess what? Stretching can even improve your mood. It releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Who doesn't want to start the day with a smile? So, take a few moments each morning to stretch and wake up your body. You'll feel more energized, happier, and ready to take on the day. Now, let's get into our super simple 8-minute morning stretch routine. Don't worry, you don't need any fancy equipment, just a bit of space and your awesome self. Here's what we'll be doing. 1. Neck tilts. 2. Shoulder rolls. 3. Cat-cow stretch. 4. Happy baby. 5. Forward fold. 6. Tricep stretch. 7. Torso twists. 8. Knee hugs. Each stretch will only take about a minute, making this routine perfect for busy mornings. Ready? Let's do this. Let's begin with our neck. It's important to start our day with some gentle stretches to wake up our muscles and prepare our body for the day ahead. Stand up nice and tall, feet hip-width apart. This stance provides a stable base and helps maintain balance during the stretches. Now, gently tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Feel the stretch along the left side of your neck. Feel a nice stretch on the left side of your neck. This helps to release any built-up tension and improves flexibility. Hold it there for a few seconds, allowing the muscles to relax and lengthen. Then, slowly bring your head back to the center. Remember, slow and steady movements are key. Now, tilt your head to the left, feeling the stretch on the other side. Remember, be gentle. It's important not to force the stretch to avoid any strain. No need to rush or push too hard. Gentle movements ensure that we don't overextend or cause any discomfort. Neck stretches are great for releasing tension, especially after sleeping. They help to alleviate stiffness and prepare your neck for the day's activities. You'll be amazed how much better your neck feels with just a few tilts. Regular stretching can improve your overall neck health and prevent future discomfort. Next up, shoulder rolls. This one's super easy. Stand tall with your arms relaxed by your sides. Now gently roll your shoulders forward in a circular motion. Imagine you're drawing big circles in the air with your shoulders. Do this for about 30 seconds, then switch directions, rolling your shoulders backwards. Feel those muscles loosening up? Shoulder rolls are fantastic for improving posture and releasing any stiffness in your upper back. Plus, they just feel really good. Section 5. Cat-cow stretch. Back feels good. Time to show our backs some love with the cat-cow stretch. This simple yet effective exercise is perfect for anyone looking to improve their spinal health and overall flexibility. Start on your hands and knees, with your hands directly below your shoulders and knees hip-width apart. This position is known as the tabletop position and serves as the foundation for the cat-cow stretch. As you inhale, arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin towards your chest. This is the cat pose, and it helps to stretch the muscles along your spine. Feel a nice stretch in your spine. Take a moment to really connect with your breath and the sensations in your body. Then, as you exhale, drop your belly towards the floor, lifting your head and tailbone towards the ceiling like a cow. This is the cow pose, which helps to open up the chest and stretch the front of your body. This movement helps to gently massage your spine and improve flexibility. It's a great way to start your day, or to unwind after a long day of sitting or standing. Continue flowing between these two poses for about a minute, synchronizing your breath with the movements. Remember to move slowly and mindfully, paying attention to how your body feels. Your back will thank you for it. Regular practice of the cat-cow stretch can lead to a healthier, more flexible spine and a happier you. So, take a few minutes each day to show your back some love. Section 6. Happy Baby. Smile and stretch. Now, let's get playful with Happy Baby pose. This one's a personal favorite. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Bring your knees towards your chest and grab the outsides of your feet with your hands. Gently pull your feet down, feeling a stretch in your inner thighs and hips. You can gently rock from side to side, just like a happy baby. This stretch is amazing for releasing tension in the hips and lower back, and it always brings a smile to my face. Section 7. Breathing and you. It matters. Did you know that breathing deeply while you stretch can make a world of difference? It's true. When you focus on your breath, you naturally relax your body and mind. This allows you to get a deeper stretch and release tension more effectively. So, as you move through each stretch, remember to breathe deeply and slowly. Inhale through your nose, filling your belly with air, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Trust me, paying attention to your breath will take your stretching to a whole new level. Section 8. Stick with it. Your body will thank you. And there you have it, your 8-minute morning stretch routine. How do you feel? Refreshed? Energized? Awesome! Remember, consistency is key. Try to make this routine a part of your daily morning ritual. You don't have to be perfect, just show up for yourself and your body. Stretching has made a huge difference in my life, and I know it can do the same for you. It's a simple yet powerful way to kickstart your day feeling your best. Now go out there and have an amazing day.